Welcome to my honest review of KidsGuard Pro, the family control app designed to help you monitor and protect your child's mobile device. In today's video, I'll give you a full walkthrough of the app's key features, installation process, and my overall experience using it. KidsGuard Pro is aimed at parents who want to keep track of their children's online activity, social media usage, and even location. Let's dive right into it. First off, KidsGuard Pro offers a range of features. It allows you to monitor calls, messages, location, social media activity, and even apps installed on the target device. You can view detailed reports of your child's phone usage in real time. This is a great feature for parents who want to ensure their children are not engaging in unsafe activities. The app works discreetly in the background, making it almost impossible for your child to know it's there, which adds an extra layer of security. Installing KidsGuard Pro is simple, and you'll find the process quite straightforward. You begin by creating an account on their website, then download the app to the target device. Once installed, the app syncs with your online account, giving you access to all the data. I did find the installation a bit tricky at first, especially when it came to Android devices, but after following the instructions step by step, it worked perfectly. One of the standout features of KidsGuard Pro is its ability to track social media apps like WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, and Snapchat. If you're worried about your child's online interactions, this feature lets you monitor their messages, even if they are deleted. You can also track their browsing history and block inappropriate websites. It gives you peace of mind that your child isn't accessing harmful content. Are you sure your phone is really yours? KidsGuard helps you uncover the truth, safeguard your data, and sleep easy. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. However, no app is perfect, and KidsGuard Pro has its downsides. First, it's not a free service. While the app offers a free day trial, you'll need to subscribe to access its full features, which can get pricey for long-term use. Also, it only works on certain devices, specifically Android phones and iPhones with jailbreak. This limits its accessibility for some users. Another drawback is that although it offers excellent monitoring features, it does require physical access to the target device during installation. This may not be ideal if your child has their own privacy concerns. If you don't have access to their phone, you won't be able to monitor it. Despite these limitations, KidsGuard Pro does offer one of the most comprehensive mobile monitoring experiences available today. It's a reliable choice for parents who want to protect their children from online dangers and keep track of their digital habits. If you're willing to pay for the full version, it's a solid investment. So, is KidsGuard Pro worth it? In my opinion, yes, especially for parents looking for a trustworthy and powerful way to monitor their child's mobile device. Just be aware of the pricing structure and the need for physical access to the device during installation. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more in-depth reviews like this one. Thanks for watching, and stay safe online.